The Federal Drug Administration is expected to finalize e-cigarette regulations sometime this year. Some businesses on the Sun Coast are already preparing for some of the changes. SNN's Grant Boxleitner joins us live in the newsroom with more on that. Grant?
That's right, John. Some of the FDA rules being considered have to do with the e-liquid that contains the nicotine inhaled by consumers.
I like to know what I'm putting in my body is safe.
Bob DeCola owns Big Cloud Vapors on Hillview in Sarasota. The e-liquids he and other local businesses sell are expected to come under regulation by the FDA sometime in 2016.
Right now, the regulations, anybody can make it. There's shops down in, in the area that can mix their own e-liquid. When the regulations come down, they won't be able to do that.
DeCola says he welcomes new rules designed to make the products safer.
We only carry premium juices. They're only made in a level 6 or higher lab.
Von Vape and other premium e-liquid companies already test for 2 potentially harmful chemicals that can be found in e-liquids.
Dr. Kirk Volker specializes in pulmonary critical care and smoking cessation at Sarasota Memorial Hospital.
The problem is that the previous e-cigarette liquids, they would come from China. They would have substances in them that we did not fully vet. We didn't know the effects of that on the lungs.
At Clean Smoke on Bee Ridge, store manager Adam Bourne says the e-cigarette industry is already taking steps to ensure public safety ahead of upcoming FDA changes.
We always welcome regulations. Obviously, whenever you're consuming something in your body, we want to make sure it's of the highest quality and highest standard. We bring in liquids that are manufactured and produced in the United States here. They follow some pretty heavy regulations and standards for how they're produced before they become an e-liquid.
And the FDA is still finalizing the new regulations. The e-cig industry, by the way, is estimated to be worth about $3.5 billion a year. John?
I had no idea. What else is under consideration by the FDA, Grant?
Well, some businesses are concerned about a new proposal that would require many of these products to go through an extensive registration process. They're worried they could go out of business because it could be so expensive, and they're lobbying against this change. John?
Understandable. Thanks, Grant.